All right, so let's do some French knots. These end up looking like little rosettes on top of your canvas. So it's one of those that I struggled with in the beginning by trying to read a book. Doesn't do it any justice. I had to have someone show me. But I've since found videos that help. So I'm gonna try and close in a little bit more here. And what we're looking at is, okay, we pulled the needle through. We've got 6 threads again. I'm using red to make it stand up a little bit more. You're gonna take your needle underneath and wrap it around. Depending on how many times you wrap it around is how big your rosette is gonna be. So let's look at that again. I'm gonna wrap it around twice. And then you're gonna go back through right next to where you came up. And you're gonna hold everything together with your fingertip, your left finger or right, depending on if you're lefty or righty. And then you're gonna pull the thread through from underneath. Gently and slowly. And then as soon as you feel it come together under your finger, you let go. And focus. There's a little rosette. So this next one, I'm gonna do 3 turns on it. There we go, get some focus. So again, pull it under, 2, 3, go in next to it, hold it with your finger, pull the thread through. Be careful. If you get some tension, like you get stuck, pull the thread back out a little bit. It'll usually clear itself. And there we go. So we have a slightly larger one. Let me see if I can get an angle. There we go. So you can kind of see they stand up above the canvas that way. So let's just do that one more time. Refocus. Come up through the middle. And these are a lot of fun to me. So I tend to put them in my designs a lot, just as little space fillers. We got a little tension there. Pull it back out. There we go.